Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to join Roblox trading Discord servers. Finding the right community is your first step to successful trading. You'll want to search on platforms like Discord or Top, GG, which list thousands of active servers. Always look for servers with a large member count, often over 10,000, and positive reviews. This helps ensure you are joining a reputable and active trading environment, setting you up for a great experience. Once you have found a suitable server, click on its invitation link to join. Many servers require a quick verification process, often involving a simple CAPTCHA or reacting to a message. This helps keep the community safe from bots and spammers. After verifying, take a moment to read the server's rules. Understanding these guidelines, typically found in a rules channel, is crucial for a smooth and respectful trading experience for everyone. Inside the server, you will find various channels, each serving a specific purpose, such as item trading or price checks. Familiarize yourself with these to find what you need. You might also see different roles assigned to members, indicating their status or trading experience. Many servers offer helpful bot commands. For example, typing /value item name can show you an item's current market price, assisting your trading decisions. Safety is paramount when trading. For high-value transactions, always use a trusted middleman, often a verified server staff member, to prevent potential scams. Before any trade, check the other user's reputation and past trade history, if available, to gauge their trustworthiness. If you encounter any suspicious behavior or feel uncomfortable, report it immediately to the server moderators. Staying vigilant helps maintain a secure and fair trading environment for all members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.